First, I'm going in with a white eyeshadow stick and drawing the outline for the butterfly wings. Now I'm going over the white with a black eyeliner pen and just really building up the intensity and focusing on adding a little bit more in the corners to give it kind of a pointed effect like a butterfly wing. Now I'm going in with white face paint and filling in the wings, and the reason I'm doing this is just so the colors will show up really intense. Now I'm going in and adding the different colors to the eyes, starting out with different shades of pink, and then later I will add in some purple and just really blending that in until I have reached the level of intensity I'm looking for. Definitely have fun with this step. There is no right or wrong way to do it, and you can definitely play with different colors here. Now I'm going back over the outline of the wing with a black eyeliner pen and just building up the intensity even more. And then I am going to start drawing on the lines to the wings. To add some detail, I am now adding some white eyeliner to the corners of the wings, and then I am going to add it on the outline of the wings as well. Now I'm adding butterfly clips to my hair, and I also added foundation, lipstick, and lashes. And that completes this butterfly Halloween makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to head to the blog for all the details and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Happy Halloween!